everyone, welcome back to the Wisdom Era online classes. Yes, here I am Nagvini. Today I am going to take the class third. The third lesson of your English is the Dolls Festival. Yes, my dear students, we all played dolls in our childhood, right? Yes, the dolls is a crucial part in our childhood and we all play with that and we are grown up till now, right? Yes, every child loves the doll and everyone play with that. Yes, here the lesson is related to the dolls festival. Yes, my dear students, now I am going to ask the questions related to doll. Yes, first, what kind of toys you play with? Is musical toys, educational toys, teddy bears, like that, right? Next, tell me different types of dolls. Yes, Barbie dolls, paper doll, wedding doll, clay doll. These all are different types of dolls. Right, my dear students? Yes. Here now, there are a variety of dolls in different countries according to their culture. Right? Yes, now I am going to tell different types of dolls related to the different countries. Yes, here, shuttlecock and Diabolo doll from China, wooden toys from Italy, rag dolls from Mexico, timber toys from Denmark, terracotta dolls from Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. In our India, the famous doll is terracotta dolls. That is from Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. Yes. See here. Now, I am going to read the lesson. Festivals are special occasions. On festival days, we do things that make us happy. We pray to God, wear colorful clothes, meet relatives and friends, exchange gifts, sing, dance, and eat tasty food. Everyone loves to celebrate festivals. Golu is a festival of dolls celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is a part of the 10-day Navaratri celebrations when people worship goddess Durga. Young girls and women arrange dolls on a large stand that looks like a flight of steps. These are usually dolls of gods, goddesses, people and animals. The doll stand always has an odd number of steps like 3, 5, 7 or 9. Here, people invite friends and relatives to their homes to see the Golu display. Each guest gets a small bag of gifts. People sing devotional songs and play music. What about the food? On each of the 10 days of Navaratri, a special dish called sandal is prepared. The delicious sandal is made with groundnuts, peas and various pulses. The display of dolls stays throughout the Navaratri days. On the 10th day, the dolls are taken off the stand and packed away carefully. They will be taken out for the next year's Golu. Every year people add new dolls to their set and the collection grows larger. The Japanese dolls festival, Hinamatsuri, is very similar to Golu. The Hinamatsuri dolls are arranged on a red platform. Ornamental dolls of the emperor, empress, attendants, musicians and courtiers are displayed on it. Hinamatsuri is also called Girls' Day. People believe that the dolls will protect them from evil spirits. A sweet drink called Amejak is special to the Hinamatsuri festival. We look forward to festivals because they give us a break from our everyday routine. It is also fascinating to learn about them. Yes. See here, my dear students, the lesson is the dolls festival. You know that when dolls are kept, in which festival the dolls are kept? Yes, of course in Dasara. In Dasara festival, everyone in their home should keep the dolls step by step in the stand. Yes, here. Festivals are special occasions. On festival days, we do things that make us happy. Yes, festivals are special occasions. Occasion means event, situation. It is one of the event. On festival days, yes, every festival in their own home, they do things like that. They wear the new clothes, colorful clothes, and they do pray to the God like that. Here in Dasara, in Dolls festival, everyone also should wear the colorful clothes. We pray to God and meet relatives and friends and exchange gifts, sing, dance and eat tasty food. As here, in every festival, they in their home prepare the very tasty food. You know that what type of food prepared in their home during festivals is, of course, holige, like kadabu, rice, sambar, like that. Every festival prepared their tasty food. Next, house peoples went outside and meet their friends, relatives, hug each other, shake hand each other, and sing, dance, exchange gifts like that. These things are did in their respective homes. Next, everyone loves to celebrate festivals. Yes, everyone will love to celebrate the festivals. Okay, even including me also, including you also. Everyone loves to celebrate the festival. Next, Golu is a festival of dolls celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Is particular in Tamil Nadu, the famous festival is there, that is Golu. Golu is festival of dolls. It is similar to the festival of dolls celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Next, it is a part of the 10-day Navaratri celebrations when people worship goddess Durga. Yes, it is a part. It is a one type of part in 10 days of Navaratri. Yes, in our India, we celebrated the Navaratri festival. The Navaratri festival is consist of the 10 days festival. Like that, it is similar to the Golu festival. Golu festival is also celebrated the 10 days. Next, in Navaratri, we worship the god, that is goddess Durga. Next, young girls and women arrange dolls on a large stand that looks like a flight of steps. Yes, these dolls during Navaratri festival, the dolls are prepared and arranged by the girls. Who and women arrange dolls on a large stand that looks like a flight of steps. You know that the flight aeroplane steps like that. Here the dolls are celebrated like that in flight of steps. They are usually dolls of gods, goddesses, people and animals. They arrange the dolls like gods, goddesses, people and animals. These dolls related to the gods, they arranged step by step. The doll stand always has an odd number of steps like 3, 5, 7 or 9. Yes, here see in your textbook here 1, 2, 3. There are 3 steps. These are odd numbers. You know odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. The steps is in 3 rows, right? 1, 2, 3. They arrange the dolls in 3 steps. Next, people invite friends and relatives to their homes to see the Golu display. Is here in every home, people invite their friends, relatives for the purpose of to display the Golu festival. Okay. Next, each guest gets a small bag of gifts. People sing devotional songs and play music. Yes, each guest gets a small bag of gifts. People sing devotional song. Devotional song means divine song that is related to the worship. They sing a devotional song and play the devotional music. Next, what about the food? Yes. On each of the 10 days of Navaratri, a special dish called Sandal is prepared. Yes, during the Navaratri, they prepare a special dish called Sandal. Sandal is prepared during the Navaratri festival. Next, the delicious Sandal is made with groundnuts, peas and various pulses. Yes, the delicious Sandal is prepared with groundnuts, peas and various pulses. It is a very delicious dish. Next, see here, delicious, that is very tasty dish. Next, the display of dolls stays throughout the Navaratri days. On the 10th day, the dolls are taken off the stand and packed away carefully. Here, the display of the dolls that is kept in the stand throughout the Navaratri days, that is throughout the 10 days. On the 10th day, that is on the last day, taken off the stand and packed away carefully. Those dolls are taken from the stand and packed in the bag very carefully because those dolls want in the next year. So they packed in them very carefully. Every year, people add new dolls to their site and collection grows larger. Yes, every year people add new dolls to that older dolls for the purpose of increasing the dolls numbers. Next, the Japanese dolls festival Hinamatsuri is very similar to Golu. Yes, the famous festival of Japan is Hinamatsuri. Hinamatsuri is a festival of Japanese. It is related to the dolls festivals and it is very similar to the Golu festival also. The Hinamatsuri dolls are arranged on a red platform. Yes, the Hinamatsuri dolls are arranged in a red platform. Ornamental dolls of the emperor, empress, attendants, musicians and courtiers are displayed on it. Yes, ornamental dolls. Ornamental means beautiful jewelry used for decoration. Yes, you know, we all arrange the dolls in a stand by the beautiful decoration. That is used for the beautiful ornamentals. That is beautiful jewelry is used for the decoration. And Hinamatsuri is also called Girls' Day. It is also called a Girls' Day because these arrangements are made by the girls only. Next, people believe that dolls will protect them from evil spirits. A sweet drink called Amejak is special to the Hinamatsuri festival. Yes, here people on those days people believe that the dolls will protect from the evil spirits. Evil spirits means that is harmful, that is harmful and wicked. That is Dushta Shakti. We called as Dushta Shakti. The people believe that the dolls will protect from evil spirits. A sweet drink called Amejak is special to the Hinamatsuri festival. Yes, a sweet drink in the Hinamatsuri festival is Amejak. Amejak is a sweet drink that is special in the Hinamatsuri festival. Next, last, see that we look forward to festivals because they give us break from our everyday routine. It is also fascinating to learn about them. Yes, we look forward to festivals because they give us break from our everyday routine. Yes, Dasara is not only the festival. There are so many Indian festivals are there. That is Diwali, Dasara, Ganesha festivals, Ugadi festival, like that. We are looking forward the routine life. So that we need a break. We need a break our everyday routine. And also it is a fascinating. Fascinating means a very interesting. It is a very interesting to learn about those festivals. Yes, my dear students, this lesson is related to the dolls festival, that is particularly Navaratri. I hope you understand this lesson. We will move on to the next class, that is in new chapter. Thank you.